How to reset password on OKX Wallet. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you need to tap open your OKX Wallet or head over to www.okx.com. In here, as you have forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password option. Then you can easily enter the password that you last remember. If not, enter your registered phone number or email address. In the designated phone number or email address, you will receive a verification code. Enter the code and proceed. Then, set up your new password following the security requirements, that is, uppercase, lowercase, number, and symbols. Confirm the new password and log in with a new credential. You can also add authentication method so that the next time you forgot your password, you don't have to go ahead with a hassle. For that, under Security Center, tap on any of the methods of your authentication method. You can even try out biometric that uses fingerprint or your face ID to log in into your account. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.